Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your airdrop is not working on your iPhone, so how you can fix that. First of all, make sure to scroll down and turn on your airdrop, and once you turn on airdrop, make sure that your Bluetooth is also turned on. Once you have turned on the Bluetooth, make sure to go into the airdrop settings and make sure to select any of these options, like which is like make sure this is not contact only, and make sure it is not on the receiving off option. So make sure to choose the third option, which is everyone for 10 minutes. And once you have turned it off, turn it on. After that, try if your Dropbox works or not. But let's say for some reason you still face the issue, so make sure that both the iPhone that you're trying to use the airdrop on, they both are connected to the active internet connection, because for some reasons is a possibility that you might be facing this problem due to weak or like no internet connection. So make sure to connect both the iPhone to the same internet, and once you connect it, go back, turn off the airdrop once, and again turn on the airdrop. Once you turn on, after that you can again try, and hopefully that will work. So that's a simple and easy process of how you can solve that.